Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming content. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Your likes, comments, and shares mean the world to us.
Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for a way to start your own profitable business? Well, look no further because in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your very own t-shirt business that actually makes money. First things, you need to identify your target audience and understand their preferences and interests. Once you have a clear idea of who you're selling to, it's time to come up with a unique and catchy brand name for your t-shirt business. Next, you'll need to research the market and find out what type of t-shirts are currently in demand. Having a strong online presence is crucial, so it's important to set up a professional website and create social media profiles for your business. When it comes to designing your t-shirts, make sure your designs are eye-catching, creative, and resonate with your target audience. Consider working with graphic designers or use online tools to create professional-looking designs. To ensure your t-shirt business is profitable, it's essential to carefully select high-quality materials for the t-shirts and printing. When pricing your t-shirts, consider both your costs and what your target audience is willing to pay. Utilize various marketing strategies such as promoting your t-shirts on social media, collaborating with influencers, and running targeted ads. In addition to selling online, you can also explore the option of selling your t-shirts at local markets, events, or even pop-up shops. By providing excellent customer service and consistently delivering high-quality products, you'll be able to build a loyal customer base. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things with your t-shirt business, such as limited edition designs or seasonal promotions. Remember to analyze your sales data regularly and make adjustments to your strategies to optimize your profits. One key aspect of running a successful t-shirt business is effectively managing your inventory to avoid overstock or shortages. Consider partnering with local printers or investing in your own printing equipment to have more control over the production process. Building strong relationships with suppliers and vendors can also help you secure better deals and save on costs. Always stay updated with the latest trends and keep an eye on what your competitors are doing to stay ahead of the game. Invest in creating a strong brand identity that resonates with your customers and sets you apart from your competitors. Don't forget to continuously market and promote your t-shirt business to attract new customers and keep existing ones engaged. Consider offering special deals, discounts, or giveaways to incentivize people to purchase your t-shirts. Over time, you may even consider expanding your product line to include other merchandise or accessories. Always remember that starting a profitable t-shirt business takes time, dedication, and perseverance, so stay focused and keep pushing forward. Remember, this channel is for you, and your feedback and suggestions mean the world to me. So, please, drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging in meaningful conversations. Thank you for watching.